Here it is. I feel like Thor. Here it is. Into the microphone real close. Galactic Odyssey, a race through the stars. Well, I came up with this cute little menu thing for my Imgui. I had to hard code this into the image, but whatever. I just didn't want to change fonts and go through all that. Just hard code the image, why not? And it looks good. So there's our ship. This is going to be my title screen. I'm going to show it off for a bit, enjoy the music. Welcome to the stream. I'm going to show you the IMGUI code that made it happen, of course. There's more. If you click how to play, it shows you how to play the game. So far, this needs work, of course, but it's on a separate menu. We're also going to do settings. That doesn't work yet. Exit doesn't work yet, and play doesn't work yet. But if it's a start, how to play. You know, we got the instructions. So I worked with ChatGPT to get a lot of this stuff going because the IMGUI library is very extensive. It's very extensive, which means it's very versatile and it's useful for a lot of things. So yeah, we came up with this. I believe I did this on stream, this load title texture function. Is that down here or is it up there? Load title texture, yeah, it did this for me, but I pretty much already knew all this stuff. That's OpenGL stuff. And then here's all the instructions. Oh yeah, I've already got this taken care of, so boop, 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 take it out. So I don't really know. This was helpful to set the font scale. This is the pop-up modal. This is the instructions. And then this is the whole thing right here. So it displays all the instructions, right? And then it's got a close button, close current pop-up, which is a thing. So end pop-up and begin pop-up modal, and then it starts the if. Begin pop-up modal, it's called instructions, and so when you hit how to play, it opens the pop-up called instructions, which is really interesting little internal mechanic from IMGUI, I thought. Because then all you have to do is hit the close button and it closes the pop-up, which is awesome. Okay, so handle the play button, click that. Let's see, settings. Aside from having another way to just exit, why don't I just call this escape to exit? That'll work better. That'll take care of that. Because if you hit the escape key, it will exit. There you go. You can click on it, but it won't do anything. Escape to exit. That's one problem solved. So now the play button. Hit any key to play. How about that? Hold on. What does it show? Hit any key to play. Okay, so that takes care of that. That's 2 buttons we just fixed. Okay. Hey, we're making progress. Ah, you're funny. You're funny. And then this one, the only setting we have right now is right here. It's where is it? What is it? Full screen or windowed? That's the only setting we have. So then why don't we go into, where is it? So when the user, where are we at? Where's the, oh, it doesn't have it in there. I thought it did. I think that's in the, is that in main? GLFW window should close. Checks the close flag of the specified window. This function returns the value of the close flag of the specified. Oh. Alright, well, we'll worry about that later, but what was the other thing I was just thinking of? What was I just thinking of? Anybody know? Oh, I'm going back to work tomorrow. I'm on steroids. My lungs feel better. It feels good. I wasn't sure about the steroids at first. Never taken them. I think I did take them when I got sick. When did I get sick and took steroids? Was it 2021? I think it was 2021, maybe. I don't remember going to the doctor and getting steroids at that time. Must have been before that. When I was sick or something before that. I remember I got sick really bad, and I just remember thinking, oh, I don't want to take these steroids. So I guess I've taken them before. I don't know. If I die on stream, you'll know why. So that's all I got. So what was I going to do? I don't know. Alright. So basically I can check this off because I did this. I looked at all the Imgui stuff and saw what I can make better. That's awesome. Okay, the save and load features, that is also down here, the save system. In fact, let's just go like this. Which we already have save and load features in the game. But eventually we're going to need some better ones. Which of course, eventually we're going to need a bunch of stuff, but yeah, so. Okay. When the user clicks play, yeah. What are you doing? Oh, there we go, okay. So what else can we work on? Well, this could just be What music have we got here? Is this going to be better? I don't know. Pardon me while I pop a cough drop here. Okay, I've been looking at the so what happened to the mini-map? Don't I have a thing now for it? I think, hold on. I have a thing. Toggle mini-map. M and N. M, N. Okay, cool. You know, I wonder, can I put... Now that I'm a little bit more friendly with Imgui, let's look at, how's my audio doing here? Let's turn that down just a little bit. It sounds really good. I think it's in the render. Okay. It's right here. Where's the toggle for it? What's the, hold on. Oh. Show hide minimap. Oh. It's a whole function I made. See, I forgot this. Color 0.5, color 0. Oh, there you go. Okay, so let's look at init data. So the only thing I really want to do is with this. What does the scroll do? Sorry, let's go back to... Oh, so it's got to be just this. I tell you what, let's fix that. There's something I got to fix. Just realized. It's probably in here. No. what do we? Oh, is this it? Oh, the mouse XYZ uniform. Right. How does that work again? So that moves it around. And then scroll. XYZ. Oh, wait a minute. So where's that uniform updated? Is that here in render? What the heck, Jeff? Oh, right here. This is in mouse callback. Okay. So whenever the mouse moves, okay. Mouse uniform. Oh, here it is, mouse scroll. Okay. Okay, so let's put this in here. This isn't debugging, this is minimap update. And scroll. Data. Scroll data, whatever. Okay. So what we want to do is replace this. We could have a X, Y, and then a zoom. Okay. Actually, yeah, no, let's do that. Okay. So let's go into do show space. This is what we got. Okay, so
This is the future.
space PLMN. That's where the minimap is drawn. That's the stuff, yeah.
Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
Alright, I guess that's better commenting on there anyways, so. Okay, so the thing that I was wanting to do is, when I'm rendering this stuff, render space, right? And that'll render the minimap. Draw background stars, draw the ship, so wouldn't we put the Imgui stuff right in here? Imgui sliders for minimap prime secret stuff. Start the deer Imgui frame. Okay, so the render. But I have a chance. Bam 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 bam. Would I have a chance? Ba 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 bum. Da da da. Let's just ask ChatGPT. I know. Oh hey, she got mad. Hey, what's up, man? I'm glad I checked my chat. I'm doing some work. Want to see my new title screen, dude? Check it out. I did this with Imgui because I'm gooey. Check it out. And then I got a little how to play stuff. How to play the game right here. It's real. It's crappy, but it basically tells everything you need to know for now. And I'm working on a little slider for something here. I'm gonna put in shortly. Hopefully it'll work. How you doing? What you doing? Looks awesome. Great stuff. I need to put this up on YouTube because the previous iterations were not awesome. Anyways, I'm also recovering from getting sick. You have any knowledge of CMake? Yeah. What you trying to build? I know that I kind of like it. I don't know like how to do a build in CMake, but I know how to. Like I build GLFW every time I start OpenGL. I have to build GLFW library with CMake. Pretty sure I still have CMake on here. Yeah, it's one of the first things I install when I restart my computer. Trying to use it for the first time, but I don't know how to find SDL2. SDL2, oh. I don't know either. SDL2. Oh wait, you're trying to use it. Wait, did you use it and it compiled and everything's good and you just can't find the library that it made, or what? SDL2 distributor and ZLib license, yeah. Just can't link the library with CMake. Oh, you know, it's really tricky, yeah. You mean trying to get it to compile correctly for you. Sometimes, you know, that's a little bit weird. You just have to kind of choose the directory with the right CMake lists or whatever. Let me see what I was going to do here. Uh-oh. Has it gone unresponsive? Okay, let's see. See what ChatGPT has to say. Install it. Set up your CMake lists file. Create a CMake list in the root directory project. Use the CMake minimum required command to specify the minimum version. Just can't link that makes me sad, man. CMake makes me sad. Well, it's a little bit old. I know. It is. That's why I back up my build too, because if anything ever happened and I had to restart all this stuff over again, I would definitely don't know if it's always going to be working. It's true. It's true. Like I get GLFW, and I can show you GLFW really quick, because you go GLFW install, I think. Where's the this one? So you download it, source package. I think this is what I get every time. Yeah. Okay, it's already there. So like for GLFW, it has, where are we at? Here. See, it's got a CMake list text here, and I think that's the one that I've used. See, but it's got another one here. And then there's another one here. But this is just, I think, yeah. So I think I would choose this one. SDL2 has a CMake. Oh, cool. Yeah, does it even work though? Does it like... All I can say is good luck, unless there's a YouTube video or something on it. Can I see your game anyway? Oh yeah. So what I'm doing, I'll show you what I'm going to put in the little zoom. So this is the title screen. There's how to play and stuff. So this is the 2D section here. This is just throwing everything out here to see what works and what doesn't work. I'm gonna make actual solar systems and put some of this stuff in, and then make like, you know, planets that orbit a sun, and then have like asteroid belts and stuff. Let's see, here's the world that you go to a planet, you build up your technology to be able to go to the planets, and then here's the 3D voxel worlds. And each planet's going to be like this. And I've got the Minecraft houses over there, but I've got other structures to put in too. I just changed the input. I got to switch it so that you can swap back and forth. I did quite a lot of stuff with this, because I've got an Imgui thing over here, which at one point all this stuff worked. Like if you come over here and you choose like an X direction and a Y direction, and you click X axis and Y, and then you draw the wall, it literally will draw the wall for you. And then you can go back and look at it. See? And stuff like that. And then if you can scroll the mouse way out, so I can literally go out as far as the world goes. And I can place a block like way out there. So it's pretty... pretty interesting. And then if I'm hovered over a block, where are we at? I can hit the middle mouse button and change color to that block, and all kind of other stuff too. With this interface, you can save this thing, and there's a D&D mode where I've got some images in there to look at, and I don't even know if those render though. Yeah, they don't render. Because I've messed with the code so much, but I just switched it so that you kind of move around like you do on Minecraft, where it stays on top of the block. You're like I think you're just, yeah, I don't know. I gotta tweak it a little bit more. And you can still go through the walls and stuff. So I'm like inside this little house right now. So anyways, that's kind of the idea, and I'm going to get some mechanics for trading, get a little space trader thing going, and really focus on the artistic stuff that you can do. Yeah, fly to them in 2D, play them in 3D. And I want to have all kind of interesting mechanics on the 3D worlds, and get better with the terrain generation, and get underground stuff, and underwater, and all kind of stuff. But I have also, oh, I forgot to show you the secret. So for the 2D area, eventually you're going to be able to reach out, and you're going to start in a void where a lot of the planets won't be nearby, but you'll have a mini map right here that will generate, and it will show you like where the planets are and stuff like that. Whoops. Oh, it doesn't show the, it's not showing the prime secret. Wonder why. I had a texture on there. Let's see, did I mess it up? Oh, I did mess it up. Because I was going to take out the... Hold on. I think it's just down here. Who did I... Yeah, I took out this. So what it is, it's actually a texture that renders inside there. And it's not a part of the game, but it's a cool thing that I found. And I just put it in here. And I just want to keep it as a secret so that... it's going to have the functionality of finding the planets and going back and forth and finding solar systems, but you see how it shows a weird texture in there? I'm scrolling out with the mouse, or scrolling in, and it's zooming out. I'm going to put a slider in here, because as I move the mouse, it moves around the pattern. Each one of those dots represents a prime number, and the color is based on the prime number remainder, and you divide by... or whatever's left over, whatever number it is. It's, I don't know, it's a mathematical thing I got from somebody's web page. I can't remember where it was from now, but I'm going to do a slider so you can slide around it and then zoom in and out, because it's pretty cool. It'll just be a little secret, like a little Easter egg or something. But the mini map will show you, yeah. I also had a 2D space trader I can show you real quick too. I was working on that. Because I'm a fan of arena-based games like League of Legends or Smite. Let's see, where's it at? Main, space, 2D, Arena 7, yeah. I used somebody else's graphics for this one. And it's really cool. Like, this is your base. So your enemy's trying to reach here to destroy it. These are the towers, right? These are your minions, and then these are the enemy minions in red on the mini-map. And just wait till they get into the center and they start fighting. It's not perfect, it's just basic collision detection, and then they got little hit points that go down and then they disappear and respawn. And it doesn't always work, as you can tell, and we got stray bullets and stuff. Now they're at peace. They're at peace. And these are little ship parts just flying around space, kind of, you know, ominous or whatever. And do they start firing again? Okay. But there's no damage happening? Okay. But they're taking damage from mysterious... They're all fired at that guy. Anyways, so that was a program I was going to work on too. Okay, so let's put in the slider and see if we can do this here. Okay, ChatGPT was what I needed to go to. Well, good luck with the SDL2. I hope that works. Let's see. Let's see what it gives me here. Oh wait, I forgot to say Imgui. Wonder if it'll use Imgui. Okay, good. What's it doing? Oh. There's like a pause before it finishes. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, that's cool. So it starts a new frame, begins sliders. Oh, it's called sliders. Cool. Slider, 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 and render. That's it? Those are default values or something? Okay. Oh no, those are the values that accept. Okay, cool. There's not enough extra code there for me to worry about. I can just copy it in. So let's go to, where did I want to go to? Oh, what else are you up to today? Or is that your main thing you're working on? That's cool. I just had some coffee, so don't mind me. Oh, Imgui sliders. Okay, so here we go. Slider, whenever I say sliders, I just think some snack coming. We got some appetizers on the way. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so the sliders here. Alright, let's just get it working first real quick. Render draw data. Okay, take that out. We don't need this now. Create context. No, we don't need that. We've already got that going. Render GUI. Oh, window. Oh, it made that was a function, right? Okay, we don't need to do that. We don't need to do that. Okay. Now let's put it back. Okay, so this is actually good, but let's go like this. Do show. Let's just put it in there. I don't know why it makes me nervous to keep it in here. It's not a big deal, but we'll just put it there. And we'll go here. Okay, so what we want to do is that, but we want to put this data in those other variables that are in the mouse. Okay. So won't this just be the same? Wait, where did I have that now? I don't know if it's I'm feeling better from being sick or if the music or something, but it feels really good right now. Okay, so mouse uniform equals, okay, and here's where we want to grab the information and update the shader. Okay, great. So what we want to do is X position. I'm just curious what this is even going to look like. Zoom. Ba, ba, ba. I'm going to say -2 to +2. -2. Positive 2. This one I have no idea. Let's go negative 20 to 20. No idea. And then we can set these all to 0 when they start. That's fine. And then let's go change the name of these. X, Y. Let's call it zoom instead of Z. X, Y, zoom. Bum 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 bum. Okay, there we go. So that'll do that, everything. Okay, that should work. I think. Depends on if it's actually going to draw the Imgui stuff. I don't know. Render Imgui frame. Is this where the render goes? I don't even know. Where was the other... So new frame goes through all this. End pop font render. Oh, doesn't even say we need a font. Let's try it. I don't know. So in the 2D space, we're looking for the sliders. Hey, there they are. Okay, so it doesn't work in response to the mouse. It is working. Nice. Oh, but it sets it back to the default each time. Oh, and I like that. That's what I wanted to zoom. Okay, so let's make those a little bit. Can we move this around? It's going to put it. Oh, we can move it around. Oh, we can extend it out. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so let's zoom it. 20 is too small. Does this do anything going the other way? Okay, so we're going to go like 100. And then 1 is way too small. Okay. That's cool, it worked. Okay, I'm liking Imgui a lot better than I like it like yesterday. Not even kidding on that one. Render title screen. Where was I at? So excited, I just forgot everything. Okay, so oh, I see. These get reset. So we only want to do that once. And I don't want to make these global, but we're making them global. We're just going to make them global because I'm a inventory GUI. Drawing transforms. Let's just put it down here. Mini map secret. Global. Alright, so that'll just initialize them once. And then anytime that they get... Okay. Is this where they came from? No. Okay, so this, let's go to like... The heck? Sorry, I'm not a rapper, I guess. Let's go to this. Or no, that's the same one I was just at. People killing bugs, yes. Alright. Video will play after ad. We're not there yet. Okay. Okay, let's see where we're at. So negative 100, 100. Negative 100. Bum 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 bum. And the slider zoom, let's go out to 200, although that's probably not even going to be enough. So where can we position this? Oh, we got to do the whole window position thing. Alright, let's go back to render title screen. Main window size. Just the size of your title screen. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, so we need a size and position. Oh, we can do that, but it's an IVAC too. Okay. Begin the title screen. Bum, 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 bum. Set window, next position, size. Oh, that's what I need to do. I need this whole thing. Okay, where are we at? Do show medium here. Okay, and then whoops, I forgot to look at the. So that stuff goes in after push font new frame. Okay, so after new frame. All right, I got you. I'm with you. Right here. Create a window. Begin sliders. Okay, so that sets the window. Okay, so this is going to be. We're going to call this minimap slider size. Minimap slider size. Minimap slider position. Okay. Calculate the position. No, we're not going to do that. We just want to go above the minimap is all we want to do here. So just above the minimap, and what's the size going to be? I really like the size I had. I think it was like 200. Let's go 200. And by, not very tall. 200 by 100, okay. It's decent. 200 by 150. Let's go 300. And then the position, the whole screen's 1920, so let's go 1600. And then we're going to go from the bottom, we're going to go about the middle, so top 10. So let's go 540. That's from the middle. Okay, and then right here, we're going to go mini map slider position. And then here we're going to go mini map slider size. Okay, good. Okay, otherwise we're good. We've got all those new options there. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, that looks good, I think. Oh, it's just over the mini-map, so if we could go just up a little bit. What are you doing? It's not letting me move it, I guess. Alright, whatever. That's still not enough. It's not even close. Okay, so probably right around. So I would say 80 to 80 on the zoom. Let's go 100. And then these we want to go up to 1,000. Actually, I'm just going to jump up 2,000. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, then we want to move it up just a little bit. Let's go up 100. I think it had a good size, I think. Where is it? Okay. Anyways, had to do that. Sorry. Oh, let's look at it. Who's running it? Okay, show the minimap. That looks good. Can scroll it. We can set the zoom. We can scroll it. That's cool. Okay, so that's cool. Okay, so the other thing I want to do is when we show the minimap, we want to toggle that show minimap secret sliders. So where's the minimap scroll or toggle? Oh, it's in the thing, isn't it? Do show minimap secret sliders. So let's do this. Is that in here? Else pn minmap color equals 0. So if it's not showing, it's 0. So let's go like this. So we're going to return a bool. So we're going to return a boolean, get minimap status. Okay, if pl mn mini map I don't know why that is dot color dot r equals 0. Return false. Otherwise return true. And is that not working? Oh, because it's not in here. Now it's in the scope and it's fine. Okay, so there's that. So get minimap status. It'll return false if it's not showing, true if it is showing. So then we want to go into here. Then we want to go if space plmn1 dot get minimap status. Then do this. So now it'll only show that when the minimap is showing. There we go. Is that just a dark? That is a dark weapon. It is a stealth weapon. Okay, so now it shows both of them. That's cool. Okay, cool. My stomach is hurting. I'm not sure why, so I'm gonna go chill. Thanks for tuning in. I will probably do more later. But it's probably a combination of the steroids and the coffee. So there we go. And she got mad. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you later. How do I close this now? Oh yeah, stop streaming.